Happy New Year, everybody. Chef Jamie here. We know at New Year we always try and get some resolutions in respect to we want to eat healthy, we want to get fit, all these kinds of things. And today we're going to actually show you how we're going to be making carrot and ginger juice. Carrot and ginger juice is very good, full of vitamin A and C. It's really good for immune boosting and it's great for your skin. It also helps destroy pathogens that can get into your body as well. This dish is literally done in just a few steps, okay? And now we're gonna show you how we're gonna be doing that. So, 3 core ingredients. We've got carrot, ginger, and apple. Ginger is really great to have at winter time because it warms your body up and it really does give you a nice little kick to kind of start your day or a snack during the afternoon. What we have here is we're just gonna roughly chop our carrot because we don't need to chop it so much because we're going to let Multo do the work for that. Now what I have done is I've peeled and washed the carrot, okay, prior to putting it on the chopping board. Now we're just going to put the ginger in there. Now if you're not a big fan of ginger, you could also use turmeric for this dish as well. And again, you can adjust the quantity of turmeric that is going to go into there. So using the manual mode, okay, we are going to be setting it to speed 10 for about 30 seconds to start with. Okay, 30 seconds, and then we're going to start. Great, so now once the 30 seconds are up, what we're going to do is we're going to open and then we're going to check inside the mixing bowl. Now as you see, the actual carrots is all blended up, really chopped nicely. There's a beautiful smell coming through there. We're going to be using the spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure that when we add our apple juice, it's going to catch all of the sort of flavor. We're going to incorporate the apple juice, reattach the lid with the cup on, then we're going to now blend it for 1 minute. Wow, the smell of that is really great. Now, we are going to serve. Really nice orange color. Again, Happy New Year, everybody. Here's to good resolutions and a healthy new year.